Okay, today I will show you what is Python. Python is a programming language that means it is a way to give instructions to the computer. A person named Guido van Rossum made Python. He wanted a language that is simple and clear. Why do people love Python? Because Python is easy to read. Python code looks almost like English. Look at this code example print. This is Python from HuddleHub. You can guess what it does. Alright, this is a print. This Python is from HuddleHub on the screen. And Python is easy to write. In some other language, you need many lines to just to print one word. For more have more lines. In Python, you need only one line to print hello world. So also Python is a very powerful. Even though it is a simple Pythons can pull the big things because that things a pulling Python is a website, ads, applications, robots, and AI system is pulling by a Python. And also Python is a beginner friendly. If you are new to the coding, Python is a great first language. No confusing samples everywhere. And so where is Python used? Where is Python used? Python is used in a web development, that making websites. Example, if you see in Instagram, Python is on its a backend using on its a backend, and also Python is using an artificial intelligence, making computers to thinking. This example, chatbots like a could built using AI techniques often coded with a Python. And Python is using an automation, making pruning tasks automatical. The Python is using in a cybersecurity, that means protecting computers from a hacker. And Python is using in the robotics. And also Python is using in a data science, studying data to find patterns. And also using the Python is a machine learning, that technique teaching computers the learning from a data. Python is working in these fields of area.